Konnichiwa. My name is Parth Minyar, and I'm a BTech fourth year undergrad at Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. And I have chosen theme 3, that is digital fields and greener yields. Today, I'm here to present my solution, that is AgriMirai AI, the future of farming. This is not just a project, it's a vision to bridge the gap between cutting edge precision, agriculture, and everyday reality of smallholder farmers in India. Coming to the next part, that is agricultural industry overview. So now let's start with the challenge. India is one of the largest agricultural economies, employing nearly half the population. Yet farmers face low yields, unpredictable climatic conditions, and massive post-harvest waste. Most advisory systems provide one size fits all recommendations that don't consider soil, weather, or crop stage. Now add two more issues. Precision tools like drones or IoT sensors are simply unaffordable. For most farmers, and many still have a firm belief in traditional orthodox methods. That combination leaves them stuck in a cycle of low productivity and risk. So, why did we choose sugarcane as our pilot crop? For three reasons. Firstly, it's economically critical. India is the second largest producer globally, and over 5 crore livelihood depends on it. Secondly, sugarcane is highly resource intensive and sensitive to irrigation, nutrients, and climate, making it the perfect test case to prove the value of the precise data driven. And third, what we learn from sugarcane is scalable, easily transferable to rice, wheat, cotton, and other major crops. To bring the closer, we mapped four farmer personas from smallholders who cannot afford technology to cooperative that want solutions at scale. Despite differences, their challenges align the need for timely, affordable, and localized solutions. Now, this is where AgriMirai AI comes in. AgriMirai AI is an open source image based assistance for farmers. This works in a simple, farmer friendly way. Take a photo of your crop and basic details like growth stage or last irrigation, and AgriMirai AI diagnoses the whole problem. It could be a nutrient deficiency, water stress, or pest. It instantly provides the farmers with precise actionable steps. The magic is in the backend. AgriMirai AI is powered by a multimodal learning system. For the pilot, we will collect tens of thousands of crop images across a full sugarcane cycle, each tagged with metadata like soil type and irrigation history. This dataset is enhanced with weather APIs, satellite imagery, pest and disease libraries, and even official crop calendars. The system doesn't just recognize symptoms, it understands context. For example, it can differentiate nitrogen deficiency from drought stress by combining images with weather and soil data. A knowledge graph ensures advice is not a black box, but explainable and based on trust agronomic practices. Accessibility is at the core. The platform is free for farmers with voice and vernacular language support, so even low literacy farmers can use it. Beyond diagnosis, it provides cost estimates, highlights subsidies, and suggests eco friendly options like biopesticides. Now, you might ask, if it's free, how is it sustainable? The answer lies in the business model. AgriMira AI generates revenue through B2B partnerships. When a farmer receives advice, the AI may suggest products from partner companies, fertilizers, pesticides, biopesticides, etc. And those companies pay us for this targeted trust based placement. We also run a marketplace for inputs and connect farmers to service providers for equipments, rentals like drones or sprayers. Additionally, we partner with FPOs and NGOs to deliver training and advisory services funded by institutions rather than farmers. This creates a profit for purpose model. Farmers get free, high quality support while companies and institutions fund the ecosystem. So, how do we bring this to life? Our roadmap is phased. In phase 1, we pilot sugarcane in one region, building accuracy and trust. In phase 2, we expand horizontally, covering crops like rice, wheat, cotton in the same region. And in phase 3, we scale pan India, delivering a multi crop, multimodal advisory system to millions of farmers. In the short term, farmers benefits for better practices, resources, efficiency, and lower costs. In long term, the system becomes smarter and smarter with more data expands across crops and promotes sustainability, healthier soil, optimized water use, and stable incomes. Coming to the next part, that is now why this is meaningful in a Japan-India context. Indian farmers need localized affordable solutions. Japan, with companies like ISK, brings world-class research, crop protection expertise, and a strong commitment to sustainability. AgriMira AI acts as the bridge. From India to Japan, real-world farm data fuels Japanese R&D, research and development, and validates products at scale. From Japan to India, advanced eco-friendly solutions flow back to empower farmers. For India, this means prosperity, food, and energy security. For Japan, it means market access, innovation validation, and global leadership in sustainable agriculture. Together, we build a model of Indo-Japan collaboration grounded in innovation and shared prosperity. On a personal note, this is quite personal. I've always been fascinated by Japanese technology. Not just how advanced it is, but how practical and precise it becomes when applied to the real world. As this is my startup idea, I've always wanted to be strongly tech driven, and I believe Japan is the perfect and the most suitable partner to make that possible. For me, working with Japan means combining innovation with discipline, sustainability, and real world impact. Values I deeply admire and want to bring into AgriMirai AI. To conclude, my last sentence is AgriMirai AI bridges the gap between precision agriculture and smallholder farmers. It is free, scalable, sustainable, and designed for free world adoption. By transforming images into insights, insights into action, and action into prosperity, we can build a future where farmers thrive, industries grow, and Indo Japan collaboration delivers global impact. Thank you. That's all from my side.